Alright, welcome back to another video from Appsmoment.com, and we continue to provide different video tutorials and lessons about how you can start and grow your app business. So today we are very excited to present you two new layouts for your apps, and we believe that these new layouts will help you to make even more great apps for your clients or for yourself. So let me firstly show you the first one and how it is looking and where you can find it. The first layout is video layout, and let me explain you. Actually, have a look at here. So when user will open application, it can see, for example, such beautiful video. It can be whatever it can be. It can be about travel business, about hotel, about restaurant, and then user can click at a menu and will go to the menu section. So let me show to you how you can use it and where you can go to the application builder, right? Create new application or existing one, and then go to the design section, and right here you have to click at change your layout. All right, and then you need to scroll down to layouts, and you will find here this video layout option, right? And you need to select it, and then you will need to customize this and enter video URL right here in this section, and basically that's it. Okay, so this is the first one layout. All right, and the second one, which we added as well yesterday, is pattern layout, which means that application will be blocked, and the first time when user will open, it will ask to draw a pattern to unlock. All right, and by default, as you can see, the pattern is M symbol. This you need to draw like this one, and it will unlock it application. So it can also, you can use it for your application, and the same way you need to go to design section, change your layout. Okay, and scroll down, and you will find it right here. Okay, so as I said, don't forget that the default one pattern is M shape, and with videos it is super easy to work with. All you have to do is only to enter video right here URL, and basically that's it. So these two new layouts you will find in application builder, and it will help you with your apps. All right, so meanwhile, thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.